Birds.
Oh my god!
You want a bite of my bacon, egg, and cheese?
I'm okay, thank you.
Do-ba-do.
Peter!
Peter?
You got another week. Come on, guys.
Okay.
Kane, let's go.
Go on. Say.
Yes, sir. Oh my god.
You got some right here.
Ma'am, you got something on you? You just got something.
Hey, come on. Come on.
Эй, вон. О! Братан, это немножко не то. Вот здесь. Спасибо.
Why wouldn't you lift your face above?
Ó a cara na parede, ó. Eu avisei.
Stop. Ow! Stop. You're bad as fuck.
Dad.
High five. Girlfriend and I are gonna get dressed.
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
Really careful, not yet. Roger.
Holy This is Leo.
Don't do that.
Mikey's a bitch.
So it's completely different. The way you make
You're happy and you know it. Clap your hands.
He's not overeating. I know that. Look at.
Great. Big old eyes.
Ow! Ow!
Oh shit.
What the heck?
Catnip. Was it you?
Help! 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 Please help!
What is happening? Oh, sweetie.
Pull the lever, Crunk.
Mr. Chief, face the camera.
Wake up. It's pistachio ice cream.
Wait, please. Oh my god.
Shiva.
What are you looking at?
Kaya. She can't find it.
Спасибо, моя кисть.
No, boy.
In there. Show it to me. Show it to me.
Hello, boy.
Hey, Spicy.
I'm sorry.
Ой, Димони.
О, ты тут, здоров.
Hi, baby. Please don't bite me.
Ouch. Ouch.
Bubbles, you couldn't be patient.
You're my honey bun, sugar plum, pumpy uppy umpkin. You're my sweetie pie. You're my cupcake, gumdrop, schnookums, bookums. You're the apple of my.
Fue a esto